Welcome to Himani Coaching Center. Today we are going to do a question from Pythagoras Theorem, Similarity. It is an important question from board's perspective. The question is, in an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD equals 1 by 3 BC. Prove that 9AD square equals 7AB square. Now, to prove this, first thing we will do is we will draw AE perpendicular to BC. Now we know from our congruency that this AE will bisect side BC. Just to understand, take triangle ABE and AEC, in which side AB is equals to AC because it's an equilateral triangle. Angle E is 90 degree in both the triangles. AE is common in both the triangles. So these two triangles are congruent by RHS, and hence by CP/CTC BE becomes equals to EC. So now what will happen? We will write this, that since it's an equilateral triangle, let us say AB equals AC equals BC and each side let it be X. Also, given is that BD is 1 by 3 of BC. That means BD is X by 3. Okay. Now since we just proved that BE is equals to EC, which is equals to BC by 2. So each of them is equals to X by 2. Now understand what we are going to do to prove this. We will take the right angle triangle ADE. Okay, so if I take right angle triangle ADE, I will say that AD square equals DE square plus AE square, right? That's Pythagoras theorem for us. And now let us look at DE. So DE is BE minus BD. So let us write that DE is BE minus BD, which makes it X upon 2 minus X over 3, and we can take LCM. So this becomes DE equals X by 6. Okay students, so DE is X by 6, and now I have to find DE. So I will write DE as X by 6. So DE square would be X square by 36. Okay. Now we also have to find AE square. So we will look at right angle triangle AEC. So in right angle triangle AEC, again, use of Pythagoras tells me that AE square should be equal to AC square minus EC square. Now AC we can see is X and EC is X by 2, which is getting squared. So we get AE square as X square minus X square by 4, which is 3X square by 4. Right students? So we have got DE square, we have got AE square. Now let us put it here. So my AD square equals DE square, which is X square by 36, plus AE square, which is 3X square by 4. Right? Now let us take LCM to make the denominator same. So what do we get? We get AD square equals X square by 36 plus 26X square by 36, which is 28X square by 36, and we get AD square as 4 7s are 4 9s are. So we get 9 AD square equals 7X square, and we have already written that X is AB as well. So 9 AD square equals 7 AB square. Okay. I would suggest all of you to go through the solution, do it yourself, because this question is asked many times in the board. If you do it yourself, chances of you retaining the concept with you is very high. And if you like the video, I would request you to please ask your friends to watch it so that many more students can get benefited, and keep tuned to Himani Coaching Center. Thank you.